welcome back. Today we're making some Valentine's Day bark with conversation hearts and pink chocolate. It looks super cute and super lovey-dovey and I can't wait to try some. So, let's get baking. We're going to start with 6 ounces of melting white chocolate, coarsely chopped. We're going to microwave this in 20 to 30 second intervals, and we're going to stir after each interval. Next, we're going to use 2 ounces of pink candy melts, and we will repeat the same process as before to melt them down. Melt them for 20 to 30 second intervals, and stir each time so they don't burn. Now we're going to add the pink chocolate to the white chocolate, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of canola or vegetable oil. And we will mix this in together thoroughly and get it all incorporated, and it's going to be a lovely light pink color. Now we're going to melt 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, repeating the same melting process as before, stirring often to make sure it doesn't burn. Next, we're going to evenly spread the chocolate over a parchment-lined baking sheet, and if you want to for extra measure, you can spray down the baking sheet as well. Now we're going to add our pink chocolate and spread evenly, and then we'll run a toothpick throughout the chocolate to give it a marbled look. For final touches and toppings, we're going to add conversation hearts and holiday sprinkles. And then you'll freeze before breaking and serving. So here's the final product. It's super cute, super lovey-dovey looking candy. So let's try a little bit. So it's really delicious. It's pretty crunchy with the sprinkles. The sort of fruity-ish flavor of the conversation hearts actually goes really well with the chocolate, which I didn't really expect. And I don't really like conversation hearts in the first place, but this actually goes really well together. So this will be a super fun and sweet treat to share with a sweetheart, and it would be perfect for around Valentine's Day. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy Valentine's Day! Cheese, my favorite thing to chew. Happy Valentine's Day!
Cut. Marker. And action.
Oh, I'm sorry, did I break the camera? Oh, I'm sorry.
I heard the tape.
With conversation hearts and pink chocolate, it looks super cute, super lovey-dovey. So I think this will be a delicious and fun treat to share with a sweetheart. I'm a dad!